Okay, Jim's been doing his head gasket and he was cleaning the threads out of the side with a quarter tap and he managed to snap it off. Now, it snapped off at a funny angle like that. So, we've got a tap extractor. I can just show you how this goes in. Got the little slidey bits of metal that would go down either side, the flutes. So I'm hoping that this will fit down the one that's in the block like that, even though it's skew width. So you slide it in there as far as possible and then turn it. So see if it will work. This is what's left of it. So I'm reaching with the bits on the outside. They're going reasonably far. Let's put that over there. If it breaks, we're really in trouble, but sorry, I'm trying to get my hands around and get comfortable on it. Oh, a little tiny bit of movement. Bit more, it's working. I sort of almost, once I get it started moving, I don't really want to stop. I'm worried that it's going to twist out, so again you sort of force them down in the hole as much as you can and keep that collar over. Yeah, the more it comes out, the easier you can feel it getting. Are you excited as I am? Jim's going to be happy. Save him an engine out job. Well, the worst way is it's just behind the distributor, so you could just put the bolts in the rest of them and then knock a couple of bits of wood behind it as wedges and just leave it there. And that is coming out. Right, I got these. They're about the various sizes. They're about sort of 16 to 21 pound each at Cromwell Tools. Not an endorsement. I'm just saying that, you know, well, it is an endorsement. They work, but you know, it's not paid promotion, is what I mean. Oh, look at that. So, broken taps reunited. Yeah, don't do it again, Jim. Still, live and learn. Happy days. The Singer Vogue will ride again. Right, you can see the extractors suffered slightly, a little bit of twisting damage, but probably work again on something else.